Climate change is one of the largest problems in the world because of us. 8 million tons of plastic are thrown in oceans each year. This has a huge impact in climate change because it causes the extinction of lots of marine species. Currently, there are many campaigns to avoid the use of plastics. There are also many ways to remove the plastic that already exists in the sea. But it is so much that new machines or new methods are needed to remove this material. Our biological source of inspiration was the cachalote whale. This whale lives in all the oceans except the Arctic Ocean. It is a carnivore that mainly eats squids. This animal lives in groups which communicate in different ways, for example with clicks, moans, and whistles. They have the largest brain in the animal kingdom. They can measure up to 20 meters and weigh 50 tons, and they are able to contain their breath for 90 minutes. They use their memory a lot. Thanks to this, they are able to understand and learn other dialects. In Catch a Lot of Plastic, we created machines that are in charge of cleaning oceans. We use a system in which a machine grabs the plastic, filters the water, and removes the material from the oceans. Our machine is made up of 4 parts. First, the sensors, which detect the movement and heat from living organisms so they are not absorbed and killed. Then we have the mouth of the machine, which is in charge of absorbing plastics, then it closes to retain them inside. Third, we have the belly of the machine, where plastic is stored. We also have a filter which expulses the water ingested by the machine. At the same time, it is used as thrust to move. Finally, we have an air capsule at the top of the machine that helps it float in the surface. This mechanism is based in an extraordinary animal called cachalote whale. This animal can float thanks to the excess of fat and oil in its head. We got inspired by that and used air at the top of the machine so it could float. We also got inspired in the way whales filter water, so our machine filters it through a tube. Finally, we use the shape of the cachalote because it is an enormous whale. Therefore, our machine is capable of storing a huge amount of plastic. Did you know that oceans occupy 70% of the world? Oceans are the most important source of goods in our planet. It gives us food, medicine, oxygen, and even regulate the weather, which impulses society and economy. So, why do we keep contaminating the water? If we want to solve this problem, we need to begin by removing what we already threw. With Catch a Lot of Plastic, we'll be able to remove about 20% of the plastic, and if more people get involved in our project, we may fix what we already ruined. With our project, species will start feeling in their own habitat again, and there will be less marine species in risk of extinction. So, get involved and catch a lot of plastic with us.